The last 3 or 4 audits we've had, the granting agencies have even taken an opportunity to write to us and say, this was perfect, every number ticked and tied, and your reports were fabulous. My name is Lista Hightower. I'm the CFO at Mothers Against Drunk Driving. We were using Microsoft Dynamics SL. Number one, it wasn't cloud-based, so we had to be tied to the server there in the office. We ended up being really tied to our consultants. Every time we wanted to run a special report, tweak it, we had to call them, wait a day or two till they worked on it. We were much more tied to our IT department because there was constant backups and upgrades, and we ended up doing a lot of stuff in Excel. So we would do kind of a data dump out of Solomon and then adjust the numbers. By the time we had our finance committee meeting, the finance committee was sitting there going, well, these are financial statements from 2 months ago. What's happening now? And we were like, we just can't keep dealing in Excel and doing all our reporting in Excel. So that's when we really started looking. We were looking for a partner that was more than just an implementer. We wanted a business partner that would look at our financial operations and really give us some insight. One of the things that made us decide that Sage Intacct was for us was that it had the ability to easily integrate with all of these software that we already had. We use Salesforce, we use Concur, we use now Workforce Go, we use Adaptive, we use Sage Intacct. All of these now integrate very efficiently, talking to each other, and have one set of numbers. With Sage Intacct, it's just built for nonprofits. It works immediately. They can really look at the numbers and say, do you realize that your supplies expense is running too high? Or do you realize that your government grant hasn't been spent down as much as it needs to be? You have special dashboards just for nonprofits. And that really is very helpful. It makes our accountants true financial partners to the people in the field.